In today's world, almost every business has hundreds of competitors. And most of them are offering same type of product or service. So if you are thinking how I create a logo that actually stands out in a sea of sameness, you are not alone. I have been there too, and this video is for you. Yes, the market is crowded, but there is still a way to design something that feels unique and true to the brand. Let's talk about how actually to do that. If you are new here, I am Atiqur Rahman. I have been designing logos since 2019 and I share practical design tips, real client work and case studies to help you grow as a designer. If that sounds helpful, feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you there. See, the mistake many brands make, and a lot of designers too. They try to make the logo explain what the business does. They will add a camera icon for a photographer, a house for real estate, scissors for salon. You know what I mean. But here's the thing, your competitors are doing the exact same thing. So you will end up looking the same. Now here's the good part. Even if your business are similar, there's one thing that always make your brand different. Your story. Every business has its own story, its own personality. That is something your competitors can't copy. So when you designing a logo, you are not just creating a graphic. You are telling a story in visual form. And that story isn't about what you do, it's about who you are. So here's what I recommend. Before jumping into the Illustrator or sketching ideas, take a step back. Ask yourself, what's the tone of this brand? What values does it stand for? What kind of feeling do I want people to get when they see the logo? These questions lead you to a logo that's genuinely yours, not one that just copies what is already out there. So even if you are in the same business, same market, you can create a truly unique logo. Just don't start with what your competitors are doing, but start with what makes you or your client different. Hope this was helpful. If you are into logo design, branding, or just trying to improve your design skill, feel free to subscribe. I've got more stuff like this coming soon. See you in the next one.